Hey, Daniel, you're here early today. That's new.
Yeah, I wanted to start the day with some good coffee and good English.
Good combination. Coffee helps the brain think faster.
And maybe speak faster too.
So, what are you having today?
I'm thinking cappuccino. By the way, is it more natural to say, can I have or can I get?
Both work, but can I get is what native speakers use most often in cafes. It sounds friendly and casual.
Great. Then, can I get a medium cappuccino, please?
Perfect tone, polite and clear.
And you?
I'll take an iced latte. I can't survive this summer without it.
You and me both.
So, to barista. Hi, could we have one medium cappuccino and one iced latte, please?
Sure. Anything else?
That's it, thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, just tap your card here. You know, I love coffee shops. They're perfect for people watching.
True. And great for learning English, actually.
Exactly. You can listen to real conversations. For example, that woman just said, "Can I get an extra shot of espresso?" That's a good phrase.
Nice catch. Extra shot means more coffee in the same cup.
Coffee shops are like mini English classrooms.
Absolutely. The best learning happens in real situations, not just textbooks.
You know what else I noticed? Many learners forget please or thank you when ordering.
Yeah, that's true. Without please, it can sound rude.
So, "Can I get a cappuccino, please?" sounds friendly.
And if you want to be super polite, say, could I have a cappuccino, please?
Could I have is more polite. Can I get is more natural and everyday. Barista, one medium cappuccino, one iced latte.
That's ours, thank you.
Looks delicious. Do you take sugar?
Just half a spoon, trying to cut down.
Same here. Cut down means reduce something, right?
Exactly. Like, I'm cutting down on sugar.
Good phrase. Repeat after us. I'm cutting down on sugar.
Nice job.
So, Daniel, when did you start drinking coffee?
At university, I used to stay up late for exams. Coffee was my best friend.
Same. Students and coffee have a special relationship.
Totally. And now I think it's part of my morning routine.
Routine means something you do regularly.
So build an English routine. Listen to one English podcast every morning with your coffee.
Let's practice some cafe English together. Repeat after us. Can I get a latte, please?
How much is it?
Could I pay by card?
Great. Speaking these sentences daily will train your mouth and memory.
Okay, Daniel, new situation. You get the wrong order. What do you say? Maybe, excuse me, I think this isn't my order.
Perfect. Polite and clear.
Never say, this is wrong. That sounds rude.
Right. Tone matters more than grammar sometimes.
Excuse me equals polite way to start any complaint. Let's test 3 new words from today. 1. Cappuccino, coffee with steamed milk and foam. 2. Cut down, reduce something. 3. Routine, something you do regularly.
Great recap. If you remember just these, you're improving.
All right, Daniel, finish your coffee. We have an airport to visit next.
Oh, yes. Episode 2, Travel English. Listeners, if you liked this lesson, hit like and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, how do you order coffee in your country?
Thanks for learning with us.
This was Friendly English with Daniel and Sarah.
Bye.